Do you want to spruce up your report? Spreadsheets don't have to be boring, disorganized, and hard to understand. Instead, you can learn how to merge cells in Excel to make your spreadsheet layout attractive. You can organize and manipulate the data by merging the rows and columns to suit your report. What's more, Excel allows you to unmerge the cells. Learning how to merge cells in Excel is easy. If you want a well-organized, attractive spreadsheet, then follow the steps in this video. Be sure to watch till the end to learn about merging cells in Excel. If you want to learn more about Excel, check out the link on the description below. If you have any questions you want some answers, let us know by leaving a comment. So without further ado, let's get started. Merging cells not only gives you a well-organized document, but it also organizes your spreadsheet, giving it a clean look. You should learn how to join cells in Excel to center your title across all columns in the given document or report. Also, merging organizes and combines several sections under a single heading. What's more, if you accidentally merge rows and columns, then you get to split or unmerge them. It is wise to learn the ropes of merging first because merged cells can be split. Therefore, merging cells organizes your document, making it easy to read and understand. There are 4 primary merge options available in Excel. Merge across. This option combines cells in columns without changing their alignment. Merge and center is an alternative. Merge cells and aligns text at the center while retaining the top and leftmost data. Merge cells is the simplest method of merging the selected cells. Unmerged cells is the opposite of merging because it unmerges or splits the cells. The merging command is located on the Excel Home tab. First, highlight the cells to be merged by clicking on the first cell to be highlighted, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last cell range. Afterward, maneuver to the Merge and Center button located under the Home tab. Click on the Merge and Center to merge your preferred cells. However, a warning window appears cautioning you that proceeding the merging process will not only discard other values, but it will also retain the left values only. Click OK to proceed if you are comfortable with such changes. It is easy to merge columns in Excel. Select the multiple columns you wish to join and repeat the above process. The first step is to highlight the 2 columns you want to merge. For instance, you may want to combine the first name and last name, like in this example. Take note that selecting the Merge and Center button will provide you with one large cell that has only one value. Click on the Merge and Center drop-down menu and choose Merge Across. Instead of a single warning, Excel will give you several warnings depending on the number of rows selected. Click OK for each row to get a newly merged column, as shown in this video. Center across selection does not modify and combine cells. Instead, it only aligns the relevant text at the center. Therefore, when merging cells, you don't lose any functionality such as copy, paste, or autofill. The first step is to select the text you want to join across. Next, click on the Alignment tab in Alignment Group dialog and locate the Format cells found in the dialog box. Alternatively, press Ctrl 1 to launch the Alignment Group dialog box. After that, a dialog box will appear. Click on the horizontal menu, locate and select the Center Across selection option. After clicking OK, the text will appear merged just like in the merged cells. However, the only difference is that the cells are intact, including their functionality. Please note that this option only works for horizontal groups, therefore, you'll need to merge cells vertically. What's more, ensure that you join cells with single entries because data from multiple entries may be unsuccessful to emerge. The concatenation formula is the best option for merging cells if you don't want to lose your data. What's more, this formula is best for joining multiple cells such as first name and last name into a single cell. However, a new cell will be created for the result. First of all, select cell C2 and apply the concatenation formula to get the desired result. A2 refers to the first cell to be merged, whereas B2 is the last cell to be merged. The space between the first name and the last name is represented by the two quotation marks. The ampersand operator is similar to the concatenation formula. However, whereas ampersand uses operator function, the latter uses the concatenation function. First of all, select cell 2 titled full name. After that, apply the formula showed in this video to give the desired result as illustrated. If you need to split the previously merged cells, then you can unmerge them. Select the merged cells, click on Unmerge Cells on the Merge Center ribbon under the Home toolbar. However, unmerging cells always place the data on the top left cell, leaving all the other cells blank. What's more, data, once lost during merging, cannot be recovered after unmerging the cells. Nevertheless, unmerging solves the vast spaces in your spreadsheets caused by merging rows and columns. Excel's primary weakness is that the only upper left value of cells is retained while all other data is discarded. Although data from one cell is retained, the contents of two or more cells cannot be merged. Consequently, only the data from the upper left will be kept after merging. Secondly, Excel only merges cells that form a rectangular shape. For instance, it is possible to combine data from the cells C1, C2, D1, and D2. However, it is impossible to merge cells from C1, C2, and B1 only. Lastly, the sort command does not function on the already merged cells. With that said, Excel is the best spreadsheet system to present or report data. Particularly, learning how to merge cells customizes your document, giving it a clean, highly organized, and easy to understand look. Keep in mind that when using Excel, only data in the top and the leftmost cell is used. Data from other cells is automatically deleted. Although merged data can be split, it is advisable, therefore, to back up the relevant data from future reference. If you thought this video was helpful, please click on the like button and consider subscribing. If you don't, I'd love to know why. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you on the next video.